Hello everybody, welcome in this video. Today I'm going to cook bruschetta, which is a very good entry food. So for that I have pomodoro, like the tomatoes, and I have mozzarella cheese. I have some toast or kind of bread, and I put on top of it some olive oil. For the tomato, I put some lemon that could add more flavor. I put as well olive oil. Then next, for the tomato, I will add some oregano. Okay, so here is the oregano I have, and I will go put on the top of tomato and mozzarella, which will give a very good smell. Then how to eat that? I need to put the cheese, mozzarella cheese and the tomato on the top of the bread. Then I will have my bruschetta. Here we go. I put the tomato and the cheese in the plate, and as you can see, the bruschetta is ready. You can eat it before pasta or before eating meat or the main dish, whatever. Alright guys, hope you like this video. Hit that thumbs up, follow my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye. So before finishing the video, I want to share with you, it's really tasty. I was not expecting that. Very tasty. The oregano, it gives a lot of flavor. Unbelievable. Guys, try it. It's very tasty.